If you need to make videos for Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts and you're not sure what video format to use in After Effects, this video will save you time. No theory, no artistic stuff, just the exact settings you actually need. I'll show you where to set the video format, how to set the video length quickly without guessing, the real difference between short form video and normal YouTube videos, and a few simple things that make After Effects much less frustrating. Open After Effects and click New Composition. This is the one window that matters most. Here you set video format, video length, frame rate, everything in After Effects starts here. Now, quick thing that saves a ton of time. Most people set duration the slow way. They click one number, delete it, click the next one, delete it, and type everything manually. It works, but it's slow, annoying, and easy to mess up when you're in a hurry. Let me teach you how to set video duration quickly and without mistakes. Click on duration and select the entire value. Delete it and type the numbers from the left side. While you do this, look at the duration on the right. You'll see the seconds and minutes update automatically. No guessing, no recalculating. You always know how long your video is. For short form videos like Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, the length is almost always between 10 seconds and 1 minute. For all short form content, use a vertical video format. It doesn't matter where you publish it. Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts all use the same format. Set the frame rate to 30 frames per second. This is the safest option. It looks good everywhere and won't cause problems later. At this point, you don't need to change anything else. If you're making a normal YouTube video, not a short, set the format to 1920 by 1080. Keep 30 frames per second. The length depends on your video. There's no hard limit. If your video is 5 minutes, fine. If it's 15 minutes, also fine. After Effects doesn't restrict you here. You simply set as much time as you actually need. Quick extra tip, if you want to upload YouTube videos in 4K, use 3840 by 2160 and keep 30 frames per second. One last important thing, you do not need separate presets for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. One vertical format works everywhere. Presets are just shortcuts. What really matters are the basic settings. And now you understand them. If you want to finally understand After Effects from the ground up, step by step, without chaos and wasted hours, watch my After Effects Basics tutorial for beginners video. The link is in the description.